Africa is home to 3 species of green mambas. The eastern green mamba is found only along these coastlines, the Jamaisons across Central Africa, and the West African green mamba is only found here. Next, know your mambas. The eastern species is bright green with the odd yellow scale. The Jamaisons and West African green mambas are mottled and duller, their scales edged with black. They're big too, some over 8 feet long, agile, and so fast they seem to fly through the treetops. Legend has them dropping from trees to attack victims walking below. So if you live in green mamba territory, beware. They're up there, but only watching. Shy, elusive, incredibly well camouflaged. They stick to the treetops, minding their own business, usually.